Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 exquisite castles you can stay in around the world for a royal experience. So let's start my video. 10 exquisite castle you can stay in around the world for a royal experience. Summary. Travelers can stay in medieval castle around the world for a regal experience, immersing themselves in a history and luxury. This castle offers a range of amenities and activities such as clay pigeon shooting, horseback riding, and golfing. For Scotland in India, this castle providing enchanting views, elegant decor, and a chance to live like royalty. Travelers welcome a journey through time to experience its medieval castle around the world. They invite them to step into the realm of the royalty. This majestic fortress scattered across the globe promise more than just a stay. They offer an immersion into history and graduate experience. Culzean Castle, Scotland. Perched dramatically on the renowned Scottish landscape, Culzean Castle is a stunning medieval castle in Scotland to stay in with a rich history dating back to the 1500s. Originally a central tower, it still clings off a cliff, earning a spot among the world's scariest cliff dwellers. Notably designed ascent shower post World War II during the presidency stayed at the top of the world famous course. Accommodation: the Eisenhower Hotel at Culzean Castle. Address: Culzean Castle and Country Park, Aero KA19 at LE. Amenities: free Wi-Fi. Leeds Castle, Kent, England. Dating back to the 1119, Leeds Castle has a rich history, has been home to numerous royal, includes King Henry VII can carry Arizona. Situated within a 500 acres estate, the castle the major tourist attraction today, allowing visitors to spend the night at 16th century in the castle vineyard, complete with the 4 postal beds, the luxurious fur throws. Accommodation: Leeds Castle, Maiden Tower. Address: Leeds Castle, Broomfield Road, Maidstone, ME17 IPL. Amenities: private bathroom, terrace, patio, restaurant, golf. Ashford Castle, Kong, Ireland. Recently undergoing the remarkable 75 million renovation, Ashford Castle, a 13th century castle in Ireland, where guests can spend the night, immerses more spacious and extravagant than ever before. Its renowned decor now showcase modern Irish art, Connemara Arable and Lord Carib Courage, and its lush surrounded woodland, its absolute luxury. Accommodation: Ashford Castle. Address: Ashford Castle, Kong. Amenities: restaurant, free Wi-Fi, free business center, fitness center. Hotel de la Side, Carcassonne, France. Situated within the rampart of Carcassonne, a beautiful medieval era city in France, the castle fortified town in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hotel de la Side is a unique retreat, also the 1909 hotel. It's a part of the historic fortress, the guest of the involved by its cozy library bar, complete with a live piano, add to the allure of the extraordinary castle hotel. Accommodation: Hotel de la Side, Preston M Gallery. Address: Place August Pleasure Pond, 11,000 Circassian out. Amenities: outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, bar, lounge. Burj Altena, Germany. Burj Altena Castle, with roots dating its 111, it's a captivating, it's scenic hilltop fortress nestled in Germany. Its vantage point offers an inspiration panorama of the historic city. Ambience: reader can try their hand at archery or even embark on an exhilarating flying adventure. Accommodation: hotel at London. Address: Upstrap 38 58,762 Altana North Rain, West Piana, amenities, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Realize Castle, Porruna, Italy. Italy's castles are the most unique. Castle is the historic village of Porruna is Tuscany. Realize Castle Porruna is the slice of heaven of the earth. The 12th century castle invited guests to immerse themselves in the rolling hills, adorned with sunflower field, olive trees, and vineyard age. Tennis, relaxing by a pool, and unwinding in the sauna. Accommodation Castle Porrona Reliance and Spa. Address Via della Fiera Porrona 58,044 Cinigiano, Tuscany. Amenities outdoor pool, indoor pool, free Wi-Fi, spa. Parador de Oropesa, Toledo, Spain. Parador de Oropesa, 14th century Spain. Castle nestled at the foothills of Sierra de Gerados is an enchanting and affordable castle retreat with 48 luxurious rooms adorned with colorful vintage tiles and painted canopy beds and progress folk art. Guests are transported to a world of romance and history. Step retreat. Commendation Parador de Oropesa. Address Plaza Olesia 1,45,560 Oropesa, Toledo. Amenities outdoor pool, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. Nemrana Fort, Place, India. In it, the realm of the heritage resort near Delhi, Nemrana Fort Place stands as a vibrant retreat for magical weekend getaway, feast, celebration, or conference. According to the castle account, constructed in 1464, this majestic place was strategically perched on the hillside, unique resort. Commendation Nemrana Fort Place. Address 15C Delhi Jaipur Highway, Nemrana 1705. Schloss Hotel, IGLS, Austria. Constructed just a century ago as a summer residence or a doctor, Schloss Hotel, IGLS, Eagles, in now a lavish Austria Castle Hotel nestled the heart of the Tyrone Alps, no far from Mainz. Even summer and ice bobsledding promise an action-packed sojourn. Commendation Schloss Hotel, Eagles. Address Wheeler Stage 2, Eagles, Innsbruck, Taylor. Pousada de Óbidos, Portugal. Óbidos is seen as one of the world's biggest private village cities. Is one in its inside walls lies is the captivating castle of Óbidos, entirely 718. Adds fantastic impress of the adventure of hot air balloon ride over the stunning landscape. Commendation Pousada Castello de Óbidos. Address Poco Real 25,999 Óbidos, Liara. Amenities free restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, free parking. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the travel has affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।